Yes. Shall we continue? Shall we start our session? Yes? Is my voice okay? Once again, confirmation from you guys. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So please be active in the chat box. Whenever I require any confirmation from you, please type in the chat box so that I can able to understand how the situation from you guys. Okay. So uh, I think almost unit one is 95 or 90% of the unit one is covered, right? A bit loud. Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. I'll. Yeah, is that okay? Is this okay now? Is, is this okay? Is my voice okay, Dharantesh? Yes. Ah, good. Okay, fine. I hope everybody is clear that you might have discussed, you might have participated in many concepts of first unit already, which you have already been familiar with in C. Yes. Okay. So for a change, let's continue with our second unit. Let us continue with our second unit. Is that okay for you guys? We'll stop our first unit for a couple of days and we'll continue the concepts later if anything is remains still not discussed. Okay. Okay. So we will start with our second unit so that you feel something new. Okay. Good. Uh, I hope everybody able to remember that. I hope everybody able to remember that. What is a class? What is an object? And we have discussed in the very first days. We have discussed what is a class, what is an object, what are all the features of the object-oriented programming language. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. We have discussed, right? We have discussed or we didn't discuss చేసామా లేదా? Yes, no? Yes, obviously. Because we have discussed that the 3 days, did you remember the very first 3 days? We have discussed the programming paradigms. Did you remember? Did you remember that? Did you remember the different types of programming paradigms? In that itself, we have discussed what exactly the class is. We have discussed many examples. Yes or no? Did you remember any single example which I have given for a class? Which I have given to describe, to give an example for a class. Did you remember any single example? Any illustration? I have given many illustration on that day, on those days. Yes or no? Anyone for class? What is a class basically? What is a class basically? What is a class? Yeah, students, I hope everybody had your lunch. I hope everybody. We should be very active in the afternoon sessions because I know after lunch it's a drowsy session, but still, C++ is always an enthusiastic subject to learn. It's a blueprint. Yes, exactly, Dinesh Kumar. It's a blueprint. Blueprint, yes or no? Blueprint of one? Blueprint class is a blueprint of an object. Yes or no? And blueprint means it just gives only the structure. Will the class takes any memory? Will a class takes any memory? No, not at all, right? Yeah, students, if I ask, I'll start the session with some questions because I need to understand that how far you remember these concepts. Yes or no? So, please let me know in the chat box very fast, everybody, as much as possible. Is class takes any memory? Any memory? Satyasai, Prema, Shankar, right? You said what you said is right. Very good. No, the class will not take any memory because it's just a structure, it's just a, blueprint. Yes or no? And what exactly takes memory? Class is not taking memory. Of course, it is right. But what is taking memory? What is taking memory? What we uh, what is taking memory? Yes, I'm waiting for you in the chat box. I'm looking at your chat box from waiting for your responses. Yes, no need of question mark. Exactly, Shankar. It's a it's an object. It's an object. Obviously, it is taking some memory based on its data members. Based on its data members. I hope you remember. Only one person responded right answer. What about the remaining? Are you there? Are you there in front of your systems? Are you there? Yeah, within couple of seconds, please. If anybody not still not log in this session, please tell your friends that already second unit is going to start from today. Please intimate this to your friends. My sincere advice is please, yeah, yeah. Sri Krishna, good, thank you. So, yeah. Okay, bit louder, sure. Ah, wait a minute, friends. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Hmm. I just record the meeting. I just forgot. Okay. See, my dear students, please do remember the faculty or your teacher to record the session. Okay. I hope you will do that. Thank you. So, yes. Is that okay? Is my voice still low? Is my voice still low? Shall I increase my voice still a bit louder? Yes? Is my voice okay? Obaidullah? Yes, students, are you there? How are you? Hello? Is my voice audible? Is my voice okay? Yeah, students, are you there? Is my voice okay? Yeah, wait a minute. Yes. Hello, is my voice okay now? Is my voice okay or not? Once you confirm that, I'll go ahead. Yes, students, are you there? What happened? Yes. Okay. Yes, I hope the chat box might have missed. Yes, are you getting the chat box? Did you get the chat box? Yes? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Yeah, friends. So, uh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a second. Is the chat box visible? Is my screen visible? Is my voice audible? Please let me know. Very within couple of seconds, please respond in the chat box. Yes. Sorry for the inconvenience, students. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. Is this okay? Yes. Is my voice okay? Yes, no? Good. Good, 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 good. Okay. Uh, so please give your answers in the chat box because I am waiting for the answers in the chat box. Okay, right now. Okay. So where did I stop actually? Already shared. Ah, where did I stop actually? Where did I stop? What takes exactly the memory? Yes, yes, Shankar. Thank you. So, a class is not taking memory, but what exactly taking memory? What exactly taking the memory? Data members, of course. Data members are the part of the class. Yes or no? Exactly, the answer is object. Exactly, the answer is object. Because from a class module, we can create from a blueprint, from an apartment blueprint, we can create n number of apartments. Exactly, the apartment takes space, but never a blueprint takes space. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understand, students, what I'm talking? Yes or no? Did you understand? Yes. So, so what exactly the blueprint never takes the memory. The object is taking the memory because of its data members. Okay. So, how much memory it is taking? We will come to that later. And I just want to introduce class. Okay. Let me take. Yes. Okay. So before going to the definition and introduction of the class, I just want to ask you guys that I just want to ask you that uh, do you know the structure? Do you know the structure? Yes. Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. Do you know the structure? Structure in C? Yes. No. What is the structure in C? What is structure in C? What is structure in C? User-defined data type. Exactly, Shazi. Exactly. Structure is a user-defined data type in which we can have multiple number of data types. Yes or no? We store different data types. Exactly, Shankar. Exactly. Super. So i- in the same way, in the same way, I'll ask you one more question. I'll ask you one more question that can we have methods in a structure, C structure? Can we have? No, no, never, right? We cannot have methods in a C structure. Yes or no? But I'll introduce a new thing that we can have methods in C++, but straight away, this is the example I'm going to show you that this is the structure program which it is not containing any methods. It is just as a C structure. It is just as a C structure. Please observe the program once. Please observe the program once. Very small program, no? Very small program. Please observe the program. Please observe the program once and observe carefully each and every line and let me know what happened in that. I'll I'll off my mic for a couple of seconds. I'll off my Yes, my dear students, yes, I already told you that I am taking a couple of seconds. I muted myself because I just want to show a big font. Okay. Yes, are you there now? Yes, are you there? Yes, fine. Please let me take one more minute that I just want to stop sharing. I just want to share once again. Is that okay? Yes? Okay. Good. You can share low, madam. ఇది 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 బేసిక్ వచ్చేసేది ఇది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది పైన ఉందా ఇదేంటి ఇలా నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఇది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఆల్రెడీ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను మేడం ఓకే ఇంకంతే కదా పైన ఇదిగో మేడం ఓకే ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉమ్, ఆ. Yes, is that program visible to you? Is my program visible to you? Yes? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, because the font in Dave C++ is very small, so that I don't want your eyes to be strained. Okay. So, did you observe the program? Did you observe the program? Is this same as your C program? Is this same as your C program? Yes. The only difference is we have used cout instead of printf. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what is the structure here also? The structure is same. The structure is same here in this program. In this program I am talking. The structure is same as the C structure. And how many data members I am having in student structure? Students, are you there? Please respond very quickly. We are running out of our time. Yeah, two members. One is roll number, one more is name. Yes or no? One is roll number, one more is name. It's a character array. It's a character. Name is a character array. Okay. Now, my intention is to access those data members. My intention is to access those data members. How can I access those data members? How can I access? Please let me know in the chat box, please. Please, everybody, using dot operator to which? The variable student S1. Student S1 is a variable. S1 is a in main. Please look at the main. Did you observe my mouse pointer? Did you observe? Yes or no? So, student S1, I am creating a variable which is pointing to my which is my structure. S1 is my structure now. Yes or no? S1 is my student structure. So that by using S1 dot roll number, S1 dot name, in this manner I can able to access the data members. Yes or no? Did you understand? Did you understand the thing which we have discussed? Did everybody understood? Did everybody understood how to access the data members in a structure? Did everybody understood? Please let me know in the chat box. I hope there are 300 plus students. There are almost 300 students in this section, but only very few students are responding here. What about the others? Only very few. Srivani, Anupam, and Sai Prema, Dinesh, Shankar. Only very few. Sanjana. Very few students are responding here. What about the others? Did everybody understood how the structure is? How we can access the data members in the structure? I hope everybody, right? Right, right. Subrat Tiwari, right? Good. Pujita, yes. Bhavana, good. Krishna Aditya, fine. So, yeah, good, Srivindu. So I hope everybody understood this program. What can you expect the output? Can you expect the output? Can you expect? Here one thing is there. Did you observe? Did I write S1 dot name equal to Bindu? Did I write S1? I have written S1 dot R number equal to 1, but I didn't write S1 dot name equal to Bindu. Yes or no? Why I have do that? 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 Why did I use strcpy? That is string copy function. Why did I use strcpy? I hope you might have very much familiar with this function. I hope everybody. Yes? or no? Yes. Yes, good Pujita. Good. Yes. So why strcpy I have used this as name is a character array. Yes or no? As name is not a single entity, right? As name is a suppose roll number one is single entity, so that I can able to assign directly. But a bindu is a character array. The name bindu is a character array, so that as it is a character array, I cannot directly assign that s1 dot name equal to bindu. I need to use strcpy function. I need to use strcpy, and it is taking two parameters. One is our our required variable. One more is our destination. That is the value. Yes or no? I hope everybody can able to remember this. Yes or no? Please let me know. Chat box, please. Yes, no? Good, good. Very good, student. Super. Now, now I hope everybody understood how to print the how to print how to print the how to print the data members. How to print the data. How see out and insertion operator. See out insertion operator. And I am giving a new line. Slash n is what? Slash n within double quotes. What is that? A new line. I just want to print the data which which I have initialized to be printed in new line. So that what I have done, I have given in quotation, a slash n within quotation, and s1 dot roll number, and again insertion operator, and I have used endl. What is endl? What is endl? What is endl? Endl means end the line and come to the next line. Yes or no? Yes, right? Super. Good, good, good. Same as slash n. Good, Bhavana. You're right. And again, I just want to print C out S1 dot name and insertion operator endl. Did you please do remember this? How we are writing, how we are printing. We can design our output. We can even give the statement like the student roll number is like that within quotations we can give. Yes or no? I hope everybody can able to do that. Right? Right? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, very good, friends. Very good. Uh, one thing I just want to tell you, one thing I just want to tell you, please look at the structure. Struct my mouse pointer. Please look at my mouse pointer. Struct, student, and int, and it is having two data members, int, roll number, and character name of 30. That is, it is having two data members. At last, what it is having? It is ended with what? The structure is ended with what? Uh, The structure is ended with semicolon, obviously. The structure is ended with semicolon. And one more thing, I am telling you one new thing that in C structures, you don't have anything like public or private. Yes or no? The data members which are in structure, you never say it is they are public, they are private. But here is the concept that there are access specifier concept that the whatever the data members I am declaring in the structure are by default they are public. They are public. Did you understand? Please do remember. I'll give you the notes also. Please don't worry. I'll give you the notes also. So the data members which I am declaring in the C++ structure, structure are by default by default అని నేను పాజ్ చేస్తున్నాను అంటే now it's your turn to give answer. Good students, very good students, super, very good students you are. So they are public, their access specifier is public because I didn't mention anything here. Yes or no? I didn't mention anything here. Okay, good. So as they are public, I can able to access, please look at my pointer, I can able to access roll number and name even outside of the class. I mean, sorry, even outside of the structure. Even outside of the structure. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Otherwise, I cannot. Yes or no? Good. Good, students. So that this is the story regarding the first program. In this program, what you have learned, I'll summarize within 2 seconds. Okay, this is a C++ structure. In this C++ structure, the structure ends with a semicolon as usual, and the data members which I have declared in the structure are by default public, and I can able to access these data members by using its variable. By using its variable. What is the variable here? Student S1. S1 is the variable. S1 is of type student structure. S1 is of type student structure. S1 dot roll number, S1 dot name, comma, bindu. Did everybody? I hope everybody understood. Please, how many of you understood this? Please let me know. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? Dinesh. Good, Dinesh. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Anupam. Only 10 students? Only 10? If you understand this, the next problems will be like a cakewalk. Right? Ah, okay, good, 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 good. Thank you. I'm closing this. I just want to run this program. I'm closing this. I just want to run this program. Shall I run this program? This is the first program. What is the output? Can you expect? Can you expect the output? Can you expect the output? What output you'll be getting? Ah, are you able to look at the? Are you able? To, is it visible? Yes, one comma bin. Super. Good. I hope you can understand. Yes, yes. Now, come. Please, have a look at the second program, that is student two. Have a look at the second program. Is this font okay, or shall I open in the notepad? Is this font okay, or shall I open it in the notepad? I'm asking you guys. This is okay? Thank you. Thank you so much, because it may take 2 more minutes. Not 2 more minutes. It may waste some time. Is that okay now? If you are not feeling good, please let me know. I'll open the notepad. Not a problem for me. Fine? Yes. Ah, please do observe, from program to program, from student 1 to student 2, student 2 to student 3, there is a small change. You need to find out that. There is a small change. Something is extra. Extra or very good, Shazi. Very sharp. Good. What I have added new thing here? Yes, access specifier, private. What now? What I have done to my data members in my structure? There is a structure student. It is having two data members, R number and name. And now I have made those two data members as private. As private. And now I am trying to access those two data members outside the structure. Outside the structure means main. Main. Yes or no? No. So, I'll ask you one question. Is this program is going to work or not? Will you get output, or will you get error? What you are going to get? Error or output? Error or output? What you are see, when I am specifying private, the data members whichever I have declared under the private section R comes under private. Error maybe kadu. Error, exactly. Because by looking at the program itself, it is very clear, no? It is very clear, because no output kadu. Error, Dinesh. Some output, that is error. So in the program, R number and name are under private section. As the private, what is the specification of private? What does it mean? It never allows the data members outside the structure. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So now please let me know. I'll execute the program. I'll execute the program, guys. Please look at this. What I am getting? What I am getting? What I am getting? Look at the errors here. Look at the errors here. Int student colon, that is scope resolution operator, R number is private. What it is saying? Whatever you are trying to access, they are under private. So it won't work. It won't work. Understood? Understood? Did you understand? Did you understand? Now, Now, I'll ask you one thing. I'll ask you, please listen carefully. Please listen, everybody. What is the solution for this? What is the solution to make this program work? దీని సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటి? అంటే మళ్ళీ దీన్ని పబ్లిక్ చేసేయడమేనా? మళ్ళీ డేటా మెంబర్స్ ఇట్లా పబ్లిక్ చేసేద్దామా? టు వర్క్ రిమూవింగ్ ప్రైవేట్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. రిమూవ్ ప్రైవేట్? If that is the case, then I'll stick to the first program itself, no? No, that is not the solution. That is not at all the solution. Declare the variables in main. What is that? No, Badrinath. No, Badrinath. No, never. Then, still, the new thing I just want to introduce is the new thing in structures, C++ structures, not structures in C. C++ structures I am going to introduce is, please look at this program now. Please look at this program now. Please look at this program now. What something extra you can observe here? What extra thing you can observe over here? Please look at the program student 3. Student 3. What an added thing, what an added concept I have given here. Get data method. Yes, exactly. The methods I have introduced. Where did I introduce? Please look at that. Please, did you observe anybody? I have introduced two methods. Generally in C, it never have the in C structures will never have methods. But the special thing in C++ structures are we can declare, we can define member functions in structures too. C++ structures too. Yes or no? And please do observe, guys. And in which scope they are? In which access specifier they are? In which access specifier? In which access specifier I have mentioned those member functions? Public. Yes or no? Public. Okay. Yes. So the data is private. The data, I never change the data. I never change the access specifier of the data. It is even in now also it is under private section only. But what new thing I have added is the data members are under public section. That is the member function. No, not data members. The member, sorry. The member functions are under public section. That is with the help of member functions, the public member functions, I can able to access the private data members. I repeat, with the help of private member functions, I can able to access the private data members. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? Please let me know. Students, please let me know. Got it now? Suhas. Aditya. Very good. Bhavana. Obaidullah. I'm able to recognize even some people who are very much frequent to give answers. But Sriram. Okay. What about the others? Very good students. The people who are responding are very good. I encourage you to respond like that only. Yeah, Srivani. And still some more are missing. Some more are missing. Yes, good. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Enough. So, how I am using? Please look at this. How many member functions are here? How many member functions I am having? How many? How many member functions I am having here? 2. What are they? Get data, put data. In get data, what I am doing? I am reading the data. Yes or no? I am reading straight away as I have done in the previous program, which I have done in the main function. Main function lo ela aithe nenu read chesano, in the same way, and now I am reading the data members in the get data function. Is that clear? Yes. Now, what is put data? What is the duty of put data function? What is the duty of put data method? Why I am using that? Why I'm using the to print the output. Yes, exactly, my dear students. Exactly. Very good. So to print the output, what I am doing? What I am doing? I am giving I am using put data, and please do observe now I am giving within the colons number. Within colons I am giving an insertion operator and R number, just a plain R number. RNO. I hope everybody can understand how to print the output. Yes. Now, please come to main method. Please have a glance at main method. How the main method I have written. Obviously, I need to create a variable. I need to create one structure. Student S1. Yes or no? Now S1 is my student structure. By using that S1, how I am doing? How I am calling the functions? How I am calling the member functions? S1 dot S1 dot get data. S1 dot get data. S1 dot you have network issues, Mr. Tiwari. Then is this a problem for with everyone? Is this problem for everyone? No, right, Shazi? Ah, uh, Tiwari, please, I cannot solve that right from here, no? Okay, please, I think the session will be recorded, and if you miss any one or two points, you can even listen later also. Is that okay, Tiwari? Yes? Huh? Okay, no? Okay, no? By looking at the program, you can understand, Tiwari. I hope so. Okay, good, good boy. So now, how to call the how to call the member functions? How to call the member functions in main method? Yeah, wait, boys, wait, wait, boys. One minute. I need to connect my. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Is this okay? Did everybody? Now I'm asking. I have asked you a question, right? How to call the member functions in main method? How to call? By using what? By using? By using? Using dot operator. The name, the variable, the name of the structure dot member, the name of the member function, right? I hope everybody understood. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Okay. So, shall I execute? If I execute, what is the output? What is the output? Can, can you expect the